Hi, I'm Vector, and this is Bind, a 2D skill-based platformer with bite-sized mechanics, and welcome to devlog number 4. In this video, I'll be showing you how the orbs work in our game. So, it always started with this orb, an orb that the player can throw and then teleport to its location, or bind to the orb, hence the name of the game, Bind. After the initial prototype, I decided that having different orbs that have different functionalities would be better than have all functionalities in one orb. So right now we have 3 main orbs in the game. However, we have over 6 more in production and even more that we have designed. But I'll save that for later. Anyways, the first orb the player comes across is the movement orb, which lets the player throw in a straight direction, and then if it hits a wall, the player gets teleported to the location of the hit. The player can collect many orbs in each level, but all orbs cost stamina to use, which is a system that we are currently testing. The idea is that we can balance the game's difficulty and the player's airtime by controlling the orb stamina cost. And then we have the original boomerang orb, which is used to reach places where the player wouldn't be able to with jumping and dashing. And yeah, by the way, we have a dash now. The boomerang orb goes in any direction, and after a certain range it returns back to the player, and its stamina cost is a little higher. The boomerang orb also bounces from walls and can kill enemies and then give the player an extra momentum in air, like so. Another cool fact about the boomerang orb is that if you throw it and then it returns back to you, then you recover the stamina. And then there's the activator orb, and as the name implies, it activates objects. It can, for example, activate the checkpoint. And I also have created a few events to help me with game design. We'll have a lot more ideas for this one, but for now, that's all it does. So those are the orbs that we currently have ready in our demo scene. And as I mentioned before, we implemented the stamina system to help us control the player's orb usage. And we also implemented the orb switcher, which is a system that allows the player to slow down the game and pick a different orb to fit each and every situation. So that's it for this devlog, and as always, if you're enjoying the series, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next episode. That's it everyone, thank you very much for watching, and take care.